Hey guys, Joshua here, and welcome back to Whiteout Survival. And and my mom and I are finally back to her house, based from the community post. So let's get into the game, and let's do some of this. Let's do some of this. Ooh. Oh wow, I got okay. It has been a while. Oh no. What is this? More. Are you kidding me? Okay, it says the 7th. Oh god, really? 7th? Oh god, that's like 10, 9, 8. That's like 4 days ago. Oh, wow. Allies. Yeah, oh. Oh, sure. What the heck is... Oh, that's my city? Is that my city? Hold on. Alright. Now we got camping. I'm not gonna do that just yet. Let me just go in my city real quick. Let me go to my city.
We've received a signed letter from the Arena of Glory.
What?
A competition put on by the Icebreaker Alliance. Warriors from every state are regularly invited.
Good to see someone has noticed our growing community.
Right.
Start preparations. I can't wait to see how we perform against the best warriors from other states.
Alright. Oh, I'm not fighting. No. I will just fight later. Oh, wow. Sure. Whoa. Oh, wow. I got a lot of resources. Oh, wow. I got a lot of resources. Main mission. Alright. At least it's showing me where they're going. Rename chief. How about we just rename my chief the Toy Chica? How many letters, numbers, and spaces are allowed? Alright, how about Toy... I'm trying to use my name. I'm trying to call myself from my YouTube name. Sure. What? Oh yeah, we need... Oh god. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Don't worry, I still have enough. Oh, it's that. Hold on. Reminder. Hunting trap. Prepare for bed. Oh, maxed. Alright. Maxed. Is there anyone that is not maxed? Open to all. I can't join. Wait. whatever. Whatever. Is it a Facebook page? No. I don't do Facebook, but alright, I might just probably go there for... See? All I have to do is just do that. Oh, thank you. I want every... Okay, I need more of that, thank you. Oh, wow, I'm getting a lot of stuff. Shining Path. Thank you. Please claim that. Oh, yeah, I will claim that. Oh, because I want... Yes, thank you. Thank you. That'd be nice. Okay. Oh, well, that expired, but that's totally fine. I still have a lot. Or... What the heck is this? Oh, whatever. Okay, is there anything else besides that? No. Alright. Oh, God. Really? Help. Well, thank you. I need some help. Battle. There we go. That's max. Which it had to be level 4. There we go. Alright. Oh, bandage, yeah. I'm trying to get everything. Alright. Storm is coming. Thanks. Oh, thanks. You're awesome. I like that. You're awesome. What is this? Rush. I love that. Oh wow, they're being nice. Okay, what is this? Yes. Since I have so much, I can just constantly do this. Okay. I'm spending some of my diamonds. I'm not going to use all my diamonds though because I need that. I'm gonna upgrade it there. I'm not gonna upgrade everything though. Not yet anyway. So the only thing I have is these two, which I'm not buying anymore. For now. Alright. Oh no, we're not doing that. Let's train you. That's on cooldown. Let's see what we have. Oh wow. Let's go back to here. That's on activate. Alright. Well, this one is okay. Crad. Bye. Alright, I will buy some of that. Oh wow, they're going fast. I love that. Jesus house. Wait, publish then. Okay. Alright. No sick people. Let's see. Oh yeah. I need to upgrade this. And I can't upgrade it. I gotta get... Okay, use. Man, how much do I need? Oh, God. What do I need? Hold on. Well, that's doing that. I will upgrade you. Well, actually, I'm just gonna finish. Oh, damn, I don't have enough. Since that's done. Right, that's done. I'm trying to get everything done. How much do you need? Oh, you need more wood. Wait. What level do you want it? Hold on. Level 10, okay. Oh, you're level 5. 6, 7, not. God damn it. Since that's doing that. I'm just doing everything. Hold on. There we go. What, God, what is this? Food poisoning. Okay. Just don't talk to me today. Okay, okay. This place doesn't have a single window. Feels like living in a cabin. Yeah, that makes sense. This place doesn't. The house is a bit cramped. I'm close to running out of space. Oh no. Alright, I will just do this to like every cabin. Every house. Unlock level 9. Oh, I gotta let the others hurry up now. Thanks, you're awesome. Nope. I'm gonna have to upgrade you. I can't upgrade. Not now, anyway. I can't upgrade. The only thing I need is this one speeding up. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, come on. Okay. Just be active for the allies. It helps everyone, including you. Alright. I can't stay active for like all the time. Alright, that's level 10. Now can't. Okay. Can I upgrade now? God, how much wood do you need? Oh, it's time, man. Do you? No, 15 seconds. Alright. I'm not gonna use them. No, no. Oh, thank you. I need some of that. Oh, because I have been wasting that. What the heck is that? Okay.
I'll do all I can to restore law and order.
Alright. I'm tomorrow. Alright. I gotta see what this one is. Okay, let me go to my cabin. Hold on. Wait, what is Chief's house? Is there any sick people? No. How many? Expires in 12 minutes. Are you for real? Oh, god damn it. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's see next. You're still being built. No, I can't. I need to buy some more of these. Should I buy that? No. I would want to buy that, but no. God, why does everything cost money? What the heck is this? Jeez. Oh wow. What the heck is this? All right. I'm not gonna use all of this. What the heck is?
Hello from the Dawn Alliance's most...
You do notice the artistry.
All right. Man, can you speed up? I just gotta speed up for a little bit. Alright guys, I am just gonna go end this video here, and so if you guys want me to play more of this game, and then let me know in the comment down below, and then I will probably play more of this game, or or I might probably play this game again if I want to. So yeah, anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. And And once this video comes out, it's gonna be Mother's Day, and so I'm just gonna say is Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Enjoy your Mother's Day and all that. I'm just saying that now, all because this video is gonna be public tomorrow, and once this video becomes public tomorrow, it's gonna become public today once it gets released. So anyway, I'm just gonna say my outro one more time, and then I will end this video here. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.